Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for the week of June 24th, 2024, Part 1. Set Sail for Pancakes, written and illustrated by Tim Kleyn. Early one morning, Margot came downstairs. "My tummy is grumbly for pancakes, Grandpa." Grandpa nodded. His tummy was also grumbly for pancakes. "Uh-oh, Grandpa," said Margot. "We don't have any eggs, or milk, or flour." Grandpa unrolled a map. He said. He pointed to the places they would need to go to gather the ingredients. Chicken Island, Cow Island, and Flour Mill Island. "Set sail for pancakes," shouted Margot. Their boat, Beluga Blue, sat in the water. They checked its motor, lights, and fuel. They stored rope, baskets, and extra life jackets. They tied their dinghy, Baby Blue, to the stern. The seagulls wished them luck. "Caw, caw!" "All aboard," said Margot. Grandpa cast off the lines, and with a toot toot, they were on their way. "Ahoy, Chicken Island! Do they have yummy eggs here, Grandpa?" asked Margot. "The best of the best," he replied. Some eggs were in grass, some in bushes, and some in trees. Soon their baskets were full. Grandpa tossed some coins in the money jar, and they were all set to go. "Toot toot! Thanks, chickens!" "Bark, bark, bark!" replied the chickens. "Ahoy, Cow Island! Do these cows make yummy milk?" asked Margot. "Oh," Grandpa replied, "the best milk in the whole wide sea." "Hi, cows," Grandpa said, but the cows just stared. "Moo," mooed Margot. "Moo," mooed the cows. "You speak cow?" Grandpa asked. "Doesn't everyone?" she responded. They milked the cows and were on their way. "Toot toot! Thank you, cows!" "Moo, moo." Just one ingredient left, flour from Flour Mill Island, and just in time, the sky was grumbly like their tummies. Grumble, rumble, grumble. "Ahoy, Flour Mill Island!" Grandpa looked at the clouds. "Looks like I'll need to batten down the hatches." "Go ahead, Grandpa," Margot said. "I can get the flour." Grandpa nodded. "I'll row back as soon as I'm done." Squish, squish, squish. Margot walked through the muddy wheat field to the old mill. The building was a little eerie. Margot grabbed a bag of flour and headed back through the field. Until her boots got stuck. Squish, slop, squash. Drip, drop, drip. Grandpa came running in a big silly raincoat. He swooped Margot out of the mud and slung the bag of flour over his shoulder. They hustled back to the dinghy as the rain drip, drop, drip, down, down, down. "Let's try to get home before the storm," said Grandpa. Grumble, rumble, grumble, crack! Grandpa saw a flash of lightning in the distance. "We'll need to find a safe place to wait this out," said Grandpa. He steered Beluga Blue into the first harbor he could find. They set anchor and hurried into the cabin. Grandpa sighed. Margot fidgeted. They waited and waited until Grandpa had an idea. "Did you know you could call for help from any banana?" he asked, dialing a number and handing it to Margot. "Beep, boop, boop, boop." Margot giggled. "Hello, yes, my grandpa and I are in a very scary storm." "Okay, yes, thank you." "The storm will be over soon," Margot told him. Grumble, rumble, grumble, grumble, rumble, grumble. Drip, drip, shh. Soon everything was quiet. Margot opened the hatch and slowly peeked outside. "Grandpa, look! Come quick!" They had not anchored Beluga Blue at just any old place. No, they had anchored it at the marvelous, excellent, absolutely stupendous Banana Tree Island. Yum, said Margot. Pretty soon they were peeling bananas, cracking eggs, and stirring the batter. Margot and Grandpa made the best banana pancakes that anyone has ever made in the history of pancakes. They ate and ate and ate until there were no more hungry tummy grumblies. What do you think, Grandpa? Margot asked. French toast tomorrow? Recipe for the best banana pancakes in the history of pancakes. The end. We're going to make a rocking boat, and what you need is some crayons or markers or paints or whatever, a glue stick or glue, and your craft to go kit includes a circle, a trapezoid, and a triangle, and a craft stick. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to color all the parts. The circle is going to be the bottom of the boat, so I'm just going to color that blue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to color my parts and then I'll come right back, so you don't have to watch me color the whole thing. Okay, I colored all 3 parts. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the circle and we're going to fold it in half so that the color is on the outside. And this is going to be the base of your boat, and it's the part that rocks. See? Then we're going to attach the trapezoid just like this. So we're going to glue it to one side of the boat. That'll be the back side. Put a nice thick glue on there. Oops. I always get glue all over the place, don't I? Okay. That's what it looks like now. It rocks. Then we're going to take the craft stick and we're going to glue it up here so that we can attach our sail to it. So I'm going to put a bunch of glue on the back of the glue stick, or craft stick, sorry. And I'm putting it pretty much in the center. Look how the craft stick makes it rock slower. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put some glue up here, and I'm gonna glue the triangle to the top to make it the sail. And that's all there is to it. So we put it up. That's it. I'll try to get it from this angle. The screen around. Okay. There you can see it better. And my hand. See, it rocks. Okay, and that's it.